The Razer Tartarus V2 gaming keypad is a specialized peripheral designed to revolutionize one-handed control for gamers and power users. It functions as a highly advanced half keyboard, replacing the traditional WASD cluster and surrounding keys with a more ergonomic and intuitively designed layout. The core of the device features 32 fully programmable keys, offering an immense degree of customization for commands, macros, and keybinds. This allows users to execute complex in-game actions or streamline creative workflows with a single thumb press. The centerpiece is the acclaimed 8-way directional thumbpad, which provides precise movement control far superior to a standard keyboard's clunky keys, making it an indispensable tool for MMORPGs, MOBAs, and professional software suites. At the heart of the Tartarus V2's tactile experience are Razer's unique mecha membrane key switches. These innovative switches are engineered to provide the best of both worlds. The soft, cushioned actuation of a membrane dome for comfort during long gaming sessions, combined with the distinct, crisp tactile click and audible feedback of a mechanical switch. This hybrid technology ensures every key press is registered with satisfying accuracy and speed, significantly reducing the mushy feel associated with traditional membrane keyboards. The result is a responsive and consistent typing and gaming experience that enhances performance and reduces fatigue, setting it apart from standard keyboard options. The programmability of the Razer Tartarus V2 is its most powerful asset, managed through the comprehensive Razer Synapse 3 software. Each of the 32 keys can be remapped to any keyboard function, mouse click, or complex macro, allowing for unparalleled customization. Features like Hypershift effectively double the number of available commands on the fly. The inclusion of onboard memory ensures that your meticulously crafted profiles are saved directly to the keypad, making your perfect setup portable between different systems without needing the software to be reinstalled. This level of control is a significant advantage for gamers who rely on intricate command sequences and professionals seeking to optimize their efficiency. No Razer product is complete without its signature chroma RGB lighting, and the Tartarus V2 delivers a fully immersive spectrum of customizable colors and effects. Through Synapse 3, users can personalize each key's illumination, creating dynamic lighting patterns or color-coded zones for different key groups. This is far more than mere aesthetics. It serves a practical function by allowing for quick visual identification of primary actions, cooldown groups, or profile switches mid-game. The ability to sync these radiant lighting effects with a vast library of other games and Razer Chroma integrated devices creates a deeply engaging and cohesive gaming ecosystem. The Razer Tartarus V2 excels with its incredibly comfortable and ergonomic design that reduces strain during extended use. The mecha membrane switches provide a perfect blend of tactile feedback and soft actuation that is highly satisfying. Its deep programmability via Razer Synapse 3, including macro recording and onboard profile storage, offers unmatched customization for complex commands. The thumbpad is vastly superior to a keyboard for movement control, and the vibrant chroma RGB lighting is both visually stunning and functionally useful for key identification. The primary drawback of the Tartarus V2 is the significant learning curve and adaptation period required to build muscle memory, which can be frustrating for new users. Its niche design means it is not intended for general typing tasks, necessitating the continued use of a standard keyboard. Some users may find the thumbpad's design less precise than a dedicated analog stick for certain game genres. Furthermore, it is reliant on the Razer Synapse software, which some consider to be bloated and mandatory for full functionality. In conclusion, the Razer Tartarus V2 is a masterclass in specialized peripheral design, offering exceptional ergonomic comfort, a superb mecha membrane typing experience, and near-limitless programmability. It is an exceptional tool for gamers seeking a competitive edge and content creators looking to optimize their workflow. While it requires an initial investment of time to configure and adapt to, the long-term benefits in performance and comfort are substantial. It successfully carves out its niche as a premium one-handed gaming keypad that justifies its place on any serious enthusiast's desk.